Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 Sony 1 CMOS sensor 6K review why it stands apart. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 is not just another professional droneit. It is a software-first aerial imaging system designed for creators, inspectors, surveyors, and filmmakers who rely on stable digital ecosystems rather than manual flight guesswork. Check the video description for the updated price link. While most drones emphasize hardware specs like camera resolution or flight time, the EVO 2 Pro V3 stands out because its real power lies in its software intelligence, app integration, and smart control architecture. From the moment you power it on, the experience feels tightly coordinated between hardware and software. The 6.4 Smart Controller SE acts as a dedicated computing hub, eliminating dependency on mobile phones and ensuring uninterrupted flight performance. Combined with Autel's ecosystem software, the drone becomes a highly responsive tool that adapts to environment conditions, lighting challenges, and user input in real time. What makes this drone especially compelling is how deeply integrated its flight algorithms are. Features like Moonlight Algorithm 2.0, adaptive ISO up to 44,000, and 12-bit DNG processing are not just camera features, they are software-driven enhancements that continuously refine image output during flight. This is where the EVO 2 Pro V3 separates itself from typical consumer drones and moves into professional-grade aerial computing. At the heart of the EVO 2 Pro V3 experience is its Autel Sky ecosystem, a unified platform that connects flight control, camera management, transmission, and AI-powered safety systems. The Autel Sky app embedded in the Smart Controller SE provides a seamless UI that feels more like operating a professional mapping system than flying a drone. Flight paths, camera settings, obstacle data, and transmission metrics are all displayed in real time without clutter. One of the strongest advantages is the intelligent flight planning system. Users can predefine routes, altitude maps, and waypoint missions, while the software dynamically adjusts for wind resistance, GPS drift, and environmental interference. This makes it highly valuable for surveyors and industrial inspections. The 15 km transmission system is not just hardware, it is stabilized by adaptive software compression algorithms that maintain low latency even at extreme distances. Video feed remains consistent due to intelligent bandwidth allocation managed by the controller OS. For creators, the camera software pipeline is equally impressive. The 1 CMOS sensor works in harmony with real-time image processing algorithms. Moonlight Algorithm 2.0 dramatically improves low-light performance by stacking and denoising frames on the fly, while preserving color accuracy through 12-bit DNG capture. Obstacle avoidance is also heavily software-driven. The 360 sensor array feeds data into a predictive avoidance engine that does not simply react, it anticipates movement paths, recalculating safe trajectories in milliseconds. For additional ecosystem context and accessories, users often explore tools like this related product guide for field deployment setups when working outdoors for long missions. The EVO 2 Pro V3's Smart Controller SE is more than a remote, it is a compact computing platform. Running a highly optimized operating system, it eliminates lag caused by mobile device interference. The UI is structured for professional workflow efficiency, with layered menus for camera, flight, and AI systems. One standout feature is dynamic exposure control. Instead of static ISO adjustments, the software continuously evaluates lighting conditions across the frame and adjusts exposure curves in real time. This is particularly useful for sunrise, sunset, or mixed light environments. The Autel ecosystem also supports intelligent subject tracking. The AI engine recognizes human subjects, vehicles, and static objects, maintaining lock even when obstacles partially obscure the subject. Unlike basic tracking systems, this one uses predictive modeling to maintain continuity. Firmware updates are delivered directly through the controller, ensuring the drone's software stack evolves over time. These updates often improve flight stability, add new AI features, and refine camera processing pipelines. Check the link in the description to get yours today.